Insert each end of the center strut into the stand pieces 2 inches on both sides. Do not tighten set screws yet. Accessory tow bar will arrive pre-assembled if ordered for the frame. To install the ring, slide the ring mount through the stand piece on both sides. If you have trouble aligning the ring, try flipping the ring around. Extra support of the ring by a second person could also help with the alignment. Squeeze stand pieces together so that they touch the ring, eliminating any gaps. Attach and tighten 1-inch collars on both ring mounts. Attach and tighten palm knobs on both stand pieces. Tighten all set screws. Casters are most effective with the 2 swivels together at one end and the 2 rigids at the other. Attach the bolts through the bottom with the nut side up.